Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and we are at Walmart. We are all finished with Christmas, so I can get back to couponing again. So I'm very excited about that. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming up. The last time we had a video, we did a giveaway for 2,000 subscribers. So yay, we hit 2,000 subscribers, and Miss Beverly Lane was the winner of our $10 eGift card to Walmart. So she will be receiving that gift card in her email. So congratulations, Miss Beverly. Our next goal is going to be for 2,050 subscribers. So 2,050 subscribers. And when we hit that, we're going to get a $10 Walmart gift card for that. So if you are watching right now, please type in the comments. Let's just type in free. Type free into the comments, and you will be put into the drawing for the giveaway when we hit 2,050 subscribers. So type free right now in the comments to get into that drawing. All right, guys. So we're heading into Walmart. We're going to finish our IBOTTA Weekend Warrior and our IBOTTA Candyland. So I'll put those up on the screen for you guys. Also, there's a printable breakdown in the description box, so please find that. That will help you. Just print it off and you can know everything that I'm getting today, so you don't have to write anything down. And also, there is a link to my coupons.com printable coupons, so that helps me a ton when you click on my link for coupons.com. It's my specific link, so click on that and you go to their coupons.com website, and you'll be able to print off all of the coupons that you need. All right, guys, let's head into Walmart and get started. The first thing we're getting is a small Moneymaker on this Palmolive. It's a small bottles. These are 98 cents. We're going to buy 3 bottles at 98 cents each. Making these just $2.94. We'll pay for that at the register, $2.94. Then when we check out, we're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks for 300 Swagbucks or $3, making this a 2 cents Moneymaker on each, or 6 cents Moneymaker altogether. And I have had a lot of questions about this. People said, does this work? Yes, it works. No problem at all. So just if you have any problems, just, they review your receipt and it works just fine. So all free and a Moneymaker on this small bottle of Palmolive on Swagbucks. All right, picking up some cleaning products. These are just going to be 47 cents each. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 2 of these Penoline cleaning products. So $2.47. We'll pay $4.94 at the register, and then we're going to submit to Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks or $4. Getting that back, making this just 94 cents or 47 cents each with that Swagbucks rebate. So there is a great tear pad that I've gotten from my doctor's office here. I'm actually going to leave this in the store because this expires on New Year's. Get out of the way for now. I'm going to use this coupon here for $4 off on these. They're $4.84. I've gotten this before, making this just 94 cents. But if you did have a coupon like this $4 coupon, you could use that in the IBOTTA rebate. They're $3 for the IBOTTA rebate on the 25 count. So that would be $7 worth of coupons and rebates, making that just $1.72. So either one, but I'm going to do this one instead. Next thing I'm picking up is something I actually need. This is the CoverGirl pencil. So these are $4.94. I have a $2 coupon that I got from coupons.com. It doesn't expire to the end of the month. My other CoverGirl coupons I was going to use was a $3 coupon. It expired on the 18th, so can't use that. This was going to be a Moneymaker, but not now. So $2 off on that, making this $2.94. And then we have a $2 IBOTTA rebate, and you can do this deal up to 3 times, making this just 94 cents each. So a great deal on some eyeliner that I need actually today. All right, we have a huge glitch on these. I'm very excited about this. You guys know I'm a teacher and I love me some nice pens. So what's happening is on IBOTTA, 2 rebates are coming off. There is a $10 on 2 and a $5 on 2. The $10 one's supposed to attach to that one, which it does, but the $10 and the $5 are attaching to both of those gelosities. So we're going to be picking up 2 of these. Of course, you have to at $7.38. When you do, it's going to be $14.76. So we're going to pay $14.76 at the register, and we'll get back with the $10 and the $5 IBOTTA glitch, we'll be getting back $15, making this a moneymaker of 24 cents. So guys, go check this out. This is such a great deal on really nice pens. The next thing I'm getting is this Rockstar energy drink. They're in like the cooler section. They're already cold. They're $1.50 and there is a $1.50 rebate on IBOTTA, making these totally free. This isn't something I normally purchase, but I'm going to try it out today. Freebie. I gotta get these trash bags, y'all. They're gonna make my trash smell like mountain air trash. I'm just playing. These are $4.94 each for these Glad Forks Flex trash bags. I have a $1.50 IBOTTA coming back off of this, and then I'm gonna try to use this $1.50 coupon I got from coupons.com. It may not work, we shall see. It expires at the end of January. If both of those coupons work on these trash bags, it's gonna make these trash bags just $1.98. If that $1.50 coupon doesn't work, and I will let you guys know at the end of the video, it's going to make these $3.48. So this is not like anything special. It's not one of those crazy almost freebie deals, but we do need trash bags in the house, and so getting coupons and deals on trash bags and pure products is always worth it. I've been wanting to try this Nivea Nourish by Nature. I even like how the bottle is. If you look at the packaging, it says squeeze and roll me up, so I guess that makes it less in the landfills, because this is a a thinner bottle, which is pretty awesome. And we check their recycling on this. Yeah, you can recycle this. It's a 2 on there on the back. So I'm picking up this lavender one actually. These are $5.84 for these. I have a $2 coupon that I printed off from coupons.com website, and this expires January the 1st. If you don't have that coupon, I have this coupon here I got from the Save 1212. It's on one body lotion from Nivea, so you may have that coupon, but I do have that $2 coupon. And then I have a $2.50 back on IBOTTA, and then I have a 10 cents any lotion that I will be using as well. So it's 2 rebates on there. So that's $2.60 worth of IBOTTA rebates. So with the $2 coupon and the $2.60 IBOTTA rebates, this is going to make this just $1.24. I think it's a great deal for some good lotion, especially it's cold outside and a little dry. So pick this up. Going to be $1.24 each for this Nivea lotion. I think you can do this deal like 3 times. I'm not sure, but I'll check in the IBOTTA gallery. Right, so we got a little money maker on this Golden Grams. It's a General Mills remix snacky mix. These are $2.24. There's an IBOTTA rebate for $2.50, making this a 26-cent money maker. And I'm very upset because there's no more. There's only this one box. We'll grab this one box. This is a limit of 3, so check your store. You may be able to snag all 3 boxes and get 26 cents back on each. My daughter's gonna love these. She loves cereal, so cereal snack is gonna be great for her. But these are on rollback for $2.24, and we have a $2.50 IBOTTA rebate, making this a 26-cent moneymaker. Amazing. Got a moneymaker on these Refresh. These are the 4 count, and that's Hawaiian Sunrise, which I'm not excited about it, but I'm gonna get it anyways. These are $1.84. Now you can just pick up 2 of these, and when you pick up 2 of these, it's going to be $3.68. Going to head on over to Swagbucks and submit your receipt for 500 Swagbucks or $5. So when you do that, that's going to be a money maker of $1.32. But I'm going to maximize my savings. I'm going to actually pick up all 4 of these, because you can do this deal twice in 1 month, and I haven't done it yet. So at $1.84, you're going to spend $7.36. And then, like I said, you're going to head on over to Swagbucks. You're going to submit that receipt with the 2 different ones, 500 Swagbucks and 500 Swagbucks, which is 1,000 Swagbucks or $10, making this a $2.64 moneymaker. So pretty good. It will cover some of the other things that I bought. All right, guys, finally leaving Walmart. We're in there for quite some time. I had the candy cane bonus and the weekend warrior. My candy cane was $10 and my weekend warrior was only $1. I was able to hit all of that within this transaction because I had some from the previous transactions, and because of that, $11 in extra bonuses at IBOTTA. This is actually going to be a $6 money maker at the very end. Our total was $5 after coupons, Swagbucks, all the things that we use. I still need to send my receipt to fetch. I don't ever add that into my videos, but it was a $6 money maker after we were able to pay the $5 for everything, and then also get back that $11 from IBOTTA. So that's a really, really, really great thing. Very excited about that. My store was a little pigged over. It was hard to find some of the IBOTTA rebates that I wanted to get, so I had to kind of just, you know, go without. But I will be back, and maybe another Walmart this week. Tomorrow is CVS, so please join me tomorrow at CVS, my favorite store to coupon at. And if you guys are not part of any of the Shopkick, Swagbucks, Fetch, IBOTTA, any of that, please look for my referral code in the description box. I would love to have you on my team. You get a kickback, I get a kickback as well. Do not forget to print your coupons on my link in the description box from coupons.com. I get a little snippet of help with that when you guys click on that link and print those coupons out. So I greatly appreciate if you do that. And also do not forget about the printable breakdown in the description box. It is awesome and I love it, and you guys can take it and use it as your own as well. It's a spreadsheet I worked on and did a lot of configurations and things with. So all right guys, I will see you tomorrow at CVS. Bye.